My dear students, Markandeya Mission welcomes you. Here I have to make you alert about the operations, especially military and strategic operations launched by different major economic, political powers of modern world that was initiated by operation called Sindoor. This Operation Sindoor has been successfully executed and destroyed the major training and launching or their executive offices established whatsoever they may be in POK or beyond the POK or itself in the Pakistan. 9 major centers of terrorist training or their control offices completely destroyed under Operation Sindoor, launched by Combined Defence Service of Government of India. My dear students, this Operation Sindoor initiated a series of strange, outstanding explosions of different operations executed by the major economic and technological advanced countries of modern world. This series, it appears that this time have been paused or suspended by an operation launched by United States of America, Midnight Hammer, on 21 and 22 June. My dear students, within this operation, United States of America's President Donald Trump and his army commanders proclaimed that they have completely destroyed the 3 major nuclear facilities of Iran situated in Fordo, Natanz and Isfahan. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Markandeya Mission welcomes you. My dear students, the last of May and the going June has produced enough heat because these days contain several types of military and strategic operations. They became as a changing force in the warfare of future. The series of these military or strategic operations has been initiated by Combined Defence Force of India by the code name Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor retaliated by Pakistan as launching operation under the code name of Marka-e-Haq. Marka-e-Haq. It was the mainstream operation of Pakistan to retaliate the Operation Sindoor. Under this operation, on 10th May, Pakistan executed a special drive of drone and missile attacks on several neighboring Indian destinations, including civilian temples. Such type of places has been also targeted. On 10th May, a special exclusive operation under the code name of Bunyan-e-Marsus. Bunyan-e-Marsus. Bunyan-e-Marsus was a special drive under the Marka-e-Haq, the mainstream operation of Pakistan to retaliate the Operation Sindoor. Next, you have to turn towards Middle East operation Rising Lion. Rising Lion was launched by Israel on 13th of June in the going month. My dear students, attacks of missiles and drones, eliminating the complete first layer leadership of Iranian military and nuclear facilities on 13th of the June in this month. So it was Operation Rising Lion, launched by Israel on 13th June, has been considered on international level as a very successful military operation, successfully eliminate the top layer leadership of Iranian military and nuclear facilities. In order to retaliate the operation Rising Lion, Iran launched a military strategic, especially missile attacks. The retaliation of Iran against Operation Rising Lion demands some more concentration. The code name of the operation is Promise. Really, True Promise. First, True Promise second, and True Promise third was the retaliation of Iran against the Operation Rising Lion, launched by Israel on 13th of June in this month. Operation True Promise 1 was executed in 24, or Operation True Promise 2 has been also executed in 2014, when Iran targeted some military establishments of Israel, or it was the True Promise 3 that has been identified as the retaliation of Operation Rising Lion, True Promise 3. If you see the scenario of military and strategic operations launched by different countries in the end of May or at the beginning of June, beginning from code name Operation Sindoor. The series of these strange, outstanding military strategic operations, it seems that has been seized by an operation named Midnight Hammer, launched by United States of America in order to eliminate the three major nuclear settlements of Iran situated at Fordo, Natan and Isfahan. Three major nuclear facilities, settlements, experiment centers of Iranian nuclear program targeted by operation code name as Midnight Hammer, launched by the government of United States of America. Operation initiated by Joint Command Force of India as Sindoor. Operation Sindoor officially retaliated by the government of Pakistan or the army of Pakistan as a mission named as Marka-e-Haq. Marka-e-Haq. Within this operation, on 10th May, a special strategic precise attack has been executed by the code name Bunyan-e-Marsus on 10th of the May. Let you have to turn towards the Middle East. After ending the 60 days promise of American President Donald Trump, suddenly, at once, Israel attacked the top layer of Iranian nuclear scientists and military commanders, completely eliminating the first order of Iranian nuclear facilities and military commands has been destroyed, completely eliminated by operation named Rising Lion on 13th June of the same month. Next, you should look into the matters of retaliation, once again focusing on a mission or a strategic or military operations executed by Israel to retaliate the Operation Rising Lion that eliminated the first order of Iranian nuclear facilities and military command. It was retaliated under a mission True Promise Third. True Promise Third proved that Israel would be eliminated, facing fear of existence. They became helpless, but at last, on midnight of 21 and 22 June of this month, United States of America destroyed the major Iranian nuclear facilities established at Fordo, Natan, and Isfahan. These are the major serious experimental centers in nuclear programs established at Fordo, Natan, and Isfahan had been completely destroyed by a sudden operation launched by United States of America named as Midnight Hammer, claiming that this operation, Midnight Hammer, eliminated the complete destruction have been achieved, which was the target of the operation, or Iran now become unable to develop atomic weapon. So the danger is eliminated. Now Iran is welcome to solve the problem by adopting the diplomatic or other manners such as trade